Hi everyone. Today we are doing part 5 out of 7 on the Callaway Tour I washing machine. This is what we got so far. As you can see, the side panels on the machine. Seriously just bent, like absolutely got bent. So here we go again. It's part 5 out of 7. I got like the machine to work again. Hopefully that will last 3 more videos. So yeah, we'll probably throw something a heavy towel in it. Stick them on one side of the drum, and that will hopefully make sense, to be honest. As I've still got it hot wire. Three. Alright then, anyway. 3, 2, 1. Anyway. Oh. I've thrown more towels in it, I guess. It's like oops. This is a sink. Oh, that's the door. That's the sink. Oh. Right then. Part number 6. That's another washer. Oh. Okay. Right, this is my stopped machine, I think. Or electronic And last towel, I think, because it's bounced itself out. Oh. That's it, I think. I don't think that's going to work. Yeah, it's going to work again. Oh, we got some good chances, I think. That's like a... So the towels have been given a good spin, to be honest. As it spat water all over the path. Usually they balance out the washing machine, but this time for this Callaway it decided to just be destroyed. Like, the towels have actually not only destroyed the side, but the door is probably... It was close enough to the door. I thought the glass was about to smash then, but no. It did, and they probably have no door left, I think, because Callaways are like titanium though, so... the back panels still remaining intact, to be honest. Sides... side is okay. This is the top panel, which stayed on throughout all these attempts, and the front panel, the bottom filter, as you can see, the lid just came off it, but yet again the drain pump filter is literally just started dancing, I think, if you guys seen. Yeah, to the beats that washing machine just did. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later, and bye.